Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this creamy oatmeal porridge. Have you ever wake up in the morning feeling so hungry and tired, so all you have in mind is just to get something very easy and quick so you can eat and fuel up your strength? So bread and tea is not even in your list, neither is garri and soup in your list at this point. So let me show you a simple, sweet and nourishing breakfast that will hug your belly. So let's make a creamy bowl of oatmeal made with fresh milk, banana and apples. This recipe is not just fast and easy, it's healthy, filling and naturally sweet. No need for sugar overload, just pure comfort in a bowl. Let's dive into this delicious morning goodness. So first thing first, gather all your ingredients you will need in making this creamy oatmeal porridge. So I'll be using 1 to 2 cups of fresh milk and 2 cups of oats. You can use rolled oats if that's what you have. I'm going to be using ripe banana and 1 small red apple. You can also use green apple if you want it a bit tart in your oats. That is optional. So now that you have gotten all the ingredients ready for the oatmeal porridge, wash the apple clean and dice it into small cubes. Peel your banana, mash some of the banana if you're not going to be adding sugar into your oatmeal porridge. I'm going to slice the banana for toppings later on. You're going to see that as we proceed with this cooking. So after prepping this is all I got. This is the banana, this is the apple, the oats and the milk. So place a pot on the stove, turn the heat to medium-low. Pour 1 to 2 cups of fresh milk depending on the quantity of the oats you are making. And remember, if you are using rolled oats, you are going to be using more milk for cooking this because you are going to be cooking it longer than 3 minutes. So after pouring in the milk in the pot, I'm going to gently add the oats into the pot. Stir it gently like you are pampering a baby. Don't rush it. Remember, this is a comfort food and not a fast food affair. So let the oats cook slowly in the milk about 2 to 3 minutes. So if you are using rolled oats, you can cook for 5 to 6 minutes maximum. So this is where the magic begins. You will notice the oats starts to soften and the milk thicken into a creamy base. So at this point, if you are not using sugar for your oatmeal porridge, this is the right time to toss in your mashed banana into the porridge. Stir continuously together with the oatmeal until they form a creamy porridge. So this will naturally sweeten your oatmeal without adding any sugar into the oatmeal. So guys, as everything blends together, the pot starts to smell amazing with the creamy scent from the milk and the oats. Seriously, this is pure temptation. If you have not tasted this meal, you are missing. So at this point, you can choose your flavor adventure. Yes, some go ahead to add pinch of cinnamon into their oatmeal. Some even add honey or maple syrup. So for extra texture, if you want something chewable in your oatmeal porridge, you can go ahead and add nuts like groundnut, chopped cashew nuts or almond into your oatmeal porridge, and it's still going to taste really great. For me, I like to keep my oatmeal really simple. The banana already gives it a natural sweetness and the apple gives it a juicy crunch that makes every bite really exciting. So once the oatmeal is done, take the pot off the heat and pour the creamy oatmeal into your favorite bowl. Smooth it out gently with a spoon and go ahead and top it with your banana slices and the fresh apple cubes. if you are enjoying this recipe so far, please take a quick second to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, healthy and delicious meal ideas just like this. So now that my bowl of oatmeal is ready, I'm going to top it with my sliced banana, apples and fresh milk. So for more healthy boost, you can sprinkle some cinnamon or nuts if you choose. And there you have it, a cozy creamy bowl of oatmeal made with fresh milk, banana and apple. Very quick and healthy, so satisfying, perfect to start your day. So next time you're hungry in the morning and you want something quick and healthy, don't sleep on oatmeal. Your belly is going to thank you a lot. So if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cozy food ideas. See you in my next one. Bye.